Welcome to this tutorial on how to interpret Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the process of understanding and navigating the Universal Analytics Setup in Google Analytics. First, let's start with the basics. Universal Analytics is a version of Google Analytics that provides a more comprehensive understanding of your website's traffic and user behavior. To access Universal Analytics, you need to have a Google Analytics account and a tracking code installed on your website. Once you have set up your Universal Analytics account, the first step is to understand the different sections of the interface. The main sections include the Reporting Dashboard, Audience Overview, Acquisition Overview, Behavior Overview, and Conversion Overview. Each section provides valuable insights into your website's performance, including user demographics, traffic sources, and behavior patterns. One of the key concepts in Universal Analytics is the idea of dimensions and metrics. Dimensions are attributes of your data, such as country, city, or browser type, while metrics are quantitative measurements, such as page views or bounce rate. Understanding how to use dimensions and metrics is crucial to creating custom reports and analyzing your data effectively. To create custom reports, navigate to the Reporting Dashboard and click on the Custom Reports tab. From here, you can select the dimensions and metrics you want to include in your report, and choose from a variety of visualization options, such as tables, charts, and maps. Another important feature in Universal Analytics is goal tracking. Goals allow you to track specific user behaviors, such as form submissions or purchases, and assign a value to each goal. To set up goals, navigate to the Admin section and click on Goals. From here, you can create new goals and assign a destination, event, or duration. Best practices for interpreting Universal Analytics Setup include regularly reviewing your data to identify trends and patterns, using custom reports to dive deeper into your data, and setting up goal tracking to measure user behaviors. It's also important to ensure that your tracking code is installed correctly and that you are using the correct dimensions and metrics for your analysis. In conclusion, interpreting Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup requires a solid understanding of the interface, key concepts, and best practices. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can gain a deeper understanding of your website's traffic and user behavior, and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence.